What's up, everybody, and welcome into today's video where we're going to be talking all about new construction, new built homes, costs to build a new home, and why sales are slumping and why builders are slowing down when it comes to new construction. I'm very excited to share with you some of the findings. We're also going to be talking about home prices because June home prices, it is now July 24th, and obviously they share home prices and home housing data in arrears. But we got the June housing prices out, and I think you're going to be surprised. Probably not surprised. We're at an all-time high yet again, a new all-time high. But we're going to get into house prices and costs of building and why new builds are now slumping. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dave Payerchin. My business partner RJ Pepino and I are the cream, cash flow, real estate, and money. This channel is all about real estate investing. Everybody, that's all we do day in and day out. We're here in an office. We buy houses. We have a very profitable and robust flipping business that we do every single day. So we're bringing in 6 figures a month in our flipping business consistently. We got the receipts to prove it. And we own and manage a portfolio valued over $50 million that we have built property by property, door by door. We are in the trenches kind of guys, still walking through houses, still getting it done. And we're happy to be on this path with you in your own real estate investing journey. So with this all being said, everybody, let's get into this article that I'm referencing today. It's on Yahoo Finance. And where's my date on this? There you go, July 24th. That is today. So it's very fresh data. And the article is called New Home Sales Hit a 7-month low in June as high mortgage rates pressure buyers. Well, here's the numbers here real quick, everybody. This represented 7.4% drop from the same time last year. So essentially, it's down over 7% year over year when it comes to the number of sales for new build and new construction. And here's what's going on, everybody. Buyers are weary right now. Yes, interest rates have a lot to do with it, but also the prices. So we're going to look at like home costs, what it costs to build a home. Building costs are up for the builder. So since their costs are increasing, they have to charge a higher price and they can't be as flexible on the pricing and still make a profit. And then with the interest rates being where they're at, people just can't afford it. This is like not falling into the affordable housing sector. Now, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek here. We are very bullish on the affordable housing sector. And actually, I'm going to share with you in this video on how you can maximize right now, how you can make money, how you can make a lot of money, and exactly what we're doing, exactly what we're targeting. But this data that we're going over, it just reinforces our thesis, right? Our thesis is all about affordable housing. We're all about homes valued between really 150, 250, 150 to 300. It's piping hot in these markets. You don't see this, but it's very difficult to acquire a property, valued 150 to 300 or so in the new construction market. You got to go after existing inventory. And then as we talk about ad nauseum on this channel, you got to go after off-market deals from motivated sellers and buy these houses that have deep discounts. That's where we do this. Right? You should be targeting, if you want to make a lot of money, no matter what's going on in the economy, affordability is the place to be because you have the most exit strategies. You could rent these properties out for a positive cash flow, and they're in the highest demand. Affordability is sexy to the marketplace. New construction and new build homes are not affordable. I mean, they're not affordable for the masses. They may be affordable for some, but sales are slumping. And therefore, now the builders are slowing down. And it has to do not only with, the interest rates, but it's the price, guys. They can't be flexible on the price. I found this on Forbes. Look at this. Do you ever think about the average amount of what it costs to build a home in these particular areas? Here's all 50 states. You're going to see some low numbers here, like Alaska. I mean, who's building a new construction home in Alaska, though? Very few people, right? In most of your continental US here, you're in the twos and threes. In fact, I don't see anything below 200K in this particular chart. Basically, what we're looking at here, here's Ohio, Montana, 267, 405 in California, New Jersey, 376, Delaware's in the threes. We got Hawaii's in the fours. To build, I think it's more than that. When I think Hawaii, I'm thinking ocean front. There ain't no way you're building you're building a house for 412,000. But that's the average, right? This is the average for every state. And there's nothing below. What's the lowest one we see here? 207 in Kansas, 204 in South Dakota. There we go. It's nothing below 2, though. So with that being said, this is just the cost to build. This is not the average home value. So if you're in Florida and it costs you $263,000 to build just a bread and butter average home, what do you need to sell that property for to make a profit? After you factor in costs, you factor in commissions, factor in the cost of money, right? And to factor in your time. I mean, we're talking about a new construction home. There's a lot of interest that builds up over time. It doesn't happen overnight. You got to build this thing. Even a prefab home, even a manufactured home, I think it still takes 90 days. I mean, that's as fast as you possibly can. Then you're dealing with a new construction. You got to deal with the city. This doesn't include permits. This is just building costs. Right, this is just cost of material and probably labor, but the cost of labor is through the roof right now. So everybody, my point is this: if it's costing this much on average to build a home, what does a builder need to sell the property for to conservatively make a profit? It's putting it out of affordability ranges, right? So if it costs you $421,000 in Alaska to build a home, after the risk and everything like that, you got to sell it for at least 5 something. You got to mark all these things up like 100 G's, because a lot of that profit or that window, that spread is going to get eaten up with costs. And if the builder is still going to make money, I mean, you got to mark these things up. So with this being said, new home build, since the cost of construction has gone up so high, it's just very expensive to build these homes. And with interest rates lingering in the high 6s and 7s, which I don't believe they'll be coming down anytime soon, it is slumping new home sales. And this is the play, everybody. What we do and what you should consider doing is go after existing inventory between the 150 to 300 range. That stuff is piping hot. By the way, I told you I was going to tell you about the median home price increase. So the numbers for June just came out, and we are at $417,300. That is the median home price nationally in the United States. $417,300 for the median price of homes. You want to be below that. You want to be in the very affordable sector. The only way you're going to be in the affordable sector is to go after existing inventory, because it costs more to build, right? It's expensive to build. Go after existing homes. This is what we're doing. This is what we're teaching. We are real estate coaches. Go to creamlaunch.com. We'll get on a call with you, tell you exactly how we coach people to be in the business of buying houses, making profits, right? We flip and we buy and hold. We are very much in the game, and you are going to be able to be in the game as well. You just got to go after the right stuff. Go after the stuff where you can make money. I'm telling you how to do this, all right? So new construction is slumping. It's likely going to continue to stay slumping. I don't see things getting better. I don't see rates coming down. Don't listen to the politicians. This is not a political statement, but either side of the fence around, everybody's going to promise you the world. They're going to lower interest rates and this and that. You never know. Maybe they will, maybe not. You can't count on it. You just got to look at, common sense. Rates are where they're at. Will they come down? Maybe, but we can't really create a business around maybe. We can't create a business around speculation, right? We've got to work with the numbers that are factually in front of us And I'm telling you, the way to make money right now is with existing inventory. That stuff valued between 150 to 300 is just flying off the shelves, whether you're flipping it, and you can still create a positive cash flow. Depends on the market that you're in. But if you're in a major MSA like we are here in Ohio, if you're in a decently major city, you're probably still going to be able to cash flow these properties valued in that range of the 150 to 300. And then it's your job as a real estate professional, real estate entrepreneur to get good deals, right? Nobody ever got rich or got wealthy by paying too much for anything. And that's what we coach people to do, is to get great deals off market, motivated sellers, negotiate with sellers, put these properties in contract, raise private money, fund these deals, and either refinance it for make it a buy and hold or sell it for a profit. That's real estate investing 101. That's what we teach. Very brass tacks, but very profitable. I'd love the opportunity to work with you. Again, go to creamlaunch.com, click the blue button, hop on a call with me or RJ, my business partner, or somebody from our team. Learn about our coaching program. Not a high pressure sale, but it is for people who are seriously interested in getting started and actually making money and doing this as a full-time real estate entrepreneur investor. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, please do us the honor of subscribing to the channel. Our channel continues to grow. We work very diligently to bring you up-to-date information, very boots on the ground guys here that are really doing this. And we'd love to have another subscriber and continue to help you in any way we possibly can on your real estate investing journey. I hope you're doing wonderful, and we will see you all on the next video.